Hi everyone, I'm going to try to run through this as quickly as I can. This is Pro Division for the Summer Major. This particular shot played a little differently than Rookie. What we did is we set the target up on the first fairway so that the blue was touching the rough, and we allowed 10% for the elevation. As you can see, we give it a slight bit of curl so that the outside of the ball is the outside of the rings. And this way we can get the proper curl. We don't give it too much, we don't give it too little. We're trying to set it up for a long iron or a possible short iron shot, depending on how close to the edge we get it. We give it around 3 top full right spin with a power 1 ball. Basically, you could use a power 3 ball here if you want to use it up. That'll up your chances to use a short iron for the second shot. But I found out using a short iron didn't give you much advantage on here. For the second shot, we want to play it at 10% elevation drop. And like I mentioned, it's either going to be a long iron or a short iron. The wind is kind of going sideways on us here, so you're going to have to be careful with this shot. I chose a Saturn because it has the best ball guide I could use. And I give it about 3 bars backspin, I believe it was, with my Saturn. So you want to run it between 2.5 to 3 bars backspin. Line it up at the hole. Allow 10% and find out where that leaves you. You might have to give it a little bit more, like 15% or whatever. Or move it over a square. For every mile per hour, you want to move it over about 1 square would be 3 miles per hour in wind. So you might have to put that as well into factor here, as it's a side wind here. So thanks for watching hole 1. We'll catch you on hole 2.